Some jobs are out of the office. Some jobs can be a bit gritty. So follow along this tribute song to the messiest jobs in the city. Make your peace with elbow grease. Dirty jobs can be the best. This city keeps on running thanks to jobs that are a mess. Garbo's a sanitation truck, giving trash a ride. Look at all the garbage. It's so beautiful I could cry. Valve the plumber spends all summer fixing our city's leaks. Without her trusty box of tools, we'd all be up a creek. Who wants a job that is pristine? Dirty jobs can be the best. Who would ever ask for clean when your job could be a mess? Primer and swatch are both top-notch. When it comes to painting, I'm on the fence about this bench, but their overalls look amazing. Builder joist is our first choice to raise the giant tower. Lots of fun, but when it's done, she's gonna need a shower. Make your peace with elbow grease. Dirty jobs can be the best. This city keeps on running thanks to jobs that are a mess. Thank you, folks. I'll be here till trash day.
Watch your favorite shows on your PBS station or anytime on the PBS Kids video app.